Tiny spaces are a big topic. Here are a few ways you can make the most of your cozy abode. First, repurpose rooms. Get creative so each area can be used multiple ways. What's a desk by day turns into a dining table by night. Give your wall some color. Try out an accent wall for a vibrant makeover. Lose the clutter. Eliminate items that don't serve a purpose or make you feel happy. Now it's time to accessorize. The right wall hangings, like larger artwork and mirrors, can create an illusion of more space. And finally, let there be light. Natural sunlight gives a feeling of spaciousness, while lamps add visual interest. No matter the size of your space, let your personality shine, and you'll always feel right at home.